Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of 1xBet, one of the leading online betting platforms. We'll explore the numbers, how many people play it, and delve into the motivations behind their choices. Let's get started. With millions of users worldwide, 1xBet has become a major player in the online betting scene. Established, it offers a diverse range of betting options, from sports and casino games to live events. But just how many people are engaging with this platform? As of, 1xBet boasts an extensive user base, with millions of registered players across various countries. The platform's global reach has contributed to its popularity, attracting individuals from diverse backgrounds and interests. What sets 1xBet apart is its extensive range of betting options. From traditional sports betting to live casino games, users have a plethora of choices. This versatility attracts people with different preferences, ensuring there's something for everyone. 1xBet's user-friendly interface and mobile app have made betting accessible to a broader audience. The convenience of being able to place bets anytime, anywhere appeals to those who enjoy the flexibility that technology provides. Another factor contributing to 1xBet's popularity is its enticing promotions and bonuses. Whether it's welcome offers, cashback rewards, or special event promotions, users are drawn to the potential for additional value and entertainment. Beyond the numbers, the sense of community on 1xBet cannot be overlooked. Users often share tips, discuss strategies, and engage in friendly competition. This social aspect enhances the overall experience for many players. As we wrap up our exploration of 1xBet's statistics and user motivations, it's clear that the platform's global presence, diverse betting options, and user-friendly features contribute to its widespread appeal. Whether it's the thrill of sports betting, the excitement of casino games, or the camaraderie within the community, 1xBet continues to capture the attention of millions around the world. Thanks for joining us on this journey.